Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert your SIM cards and also memory card in Samsung Galaxy A34. So to do this, first just look inside the box. Look here because we have a little needle. Just remove it. And now with this one, just push it inside the hole here, like this. I hope you see it. And now push it and just remove the SIM tray. Here there is, and you can put two SIM cards, one here and another one here, and also here you can put a memory SD card. Now I will show you how to put the SIM cards, and this is the first one. Okay, and this is the right position, and as you can see it doesn't fall. And now let's put the second one. You need to be a little careful. Okay, and this is the right position for the second one, and as you can see the SIM cards doesn't fall. Okay, and now let's go back to the phone. Just put here the SIM tray and push it. And that's all. Now let's look inside the phone. Enter your PIN if you have one. Mine is 40 and okay. I will go to settings, connections, SIM manager, and here are my SIM cards, Digimobile and Orange. Okay, and now I will remove the SIM tray. Again, put the this needle here and push it. Remove the SIM tray. Now remove this SIM card. Okay, and let's put the memory card. Here is my memory card. Just put it here. Okay. The SD card needs to make a little click, and as you can see now it doesn't fall. Okay, and again just put the SIM tray here, push it, and that's all. Now I will have only one SIM card and micro SD card inside. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.